What is the Supports Intensity Scale Adult Version 2nd Edition, also known as the SIS-A 2nd Edition? The SIS-A 2nd Edition updates the first version originally released in 2004 and refreshed in 2015. Just like the first version and throughout this video, the 2nd edition is referred to as SIS-A. The SIS-A is a standardized assessment designed to measure the pattern and intensity of supports that adults aged 16 years and older with intellectual and developmental disabilities need to successfully accomplish adult life activities. The SIS-A is completed in a group interview with people who know the individual very well. These participants are called respondents, and at least 2 are required to be present for the entire meeting. Along with knowing the individual really well, respondents should be comfortable discussing the supports the person may need in a variety of settings, like at home, at a job, or when learning new things. There is also a qualified assessor or interviewer who guides the discussion and helps the team determine accurate ratings during the interview. Most importantly, the person that the SIS-A is for is encouraged to actively participate and help decide who speaks on their behalf. The SIS-A assessment is very comprehensive. During the meeting, the team will discuss 7 life activity domains common to all adults, and a section that covers exceptional medical and behavioral supports. These conversations can take time, so please plan for 2 to 4 hours. If for any reason an individual may not be able to participate in the full interview, please plan accordingly. Snacks and drinks may also be a good idea. Section 1 of the SIS-A consists of exceptional medical and behavioral support needs. The person may not identify with all of these items, and that is okay. The interviewer will ask all the questions to make sure. Also, some of these items may be sensitive to talk about. The team will work together to figure out if the person does not need any support, some exceptional support, or extensive exceptional support. The second section of the assessment is where discovery happens. Respondents and the person get to discuss what supports would best fit the person's need in 7 adult life settings. Sometimes teams work together to envision and describe the supports that would be needed for activities in which an individual may not be currently involved. The concept of success is often discussed during this part of the SIS-A interview. This strengths-based focus means the team considers the person's potential, strengths, and positive qualities. It does not focus on what the person cannot do, but what they can do with the right supports. The team determines the right combination of type of support, frequency of support, and the daily support time needed to help the individual be an active participant in the same life activities as other adults within their community. You are now ready for the SIS-A interview. We encourage you to come to the meeting receptive and ready to discuss how, with the right supports, individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities are important members of our communities. For more information, check out the SIS-A Respondent Handbook at this link, the American Association on Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities SIS website, or contact your local SIS-A representative.